Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here. I'm glad you stopped to watch this video. What I'm gonna do is take you inside my home on the beach, go into my office, and I'm gonna show you the #1 way that you can start making money online right now. Let's go, come with me. All right, listen, up until now, there's been a lot of noise, people just talking all kinds of stuff about what's the best way to make money on the internet. And the fact of the matter is, there are so many people teaching fad businesses, the things that are here today, gone tomorrow. Let me teach you how to sell some little trinkets from China, or let me teach you how to do Facebook ads, which change every single day, right? It's so difficult for someone new to truly understand how to build a business that's sustainable and profitable online. What I want to do is cut through all that noise and show you something that works. Something that's worked for me for over 13 years, and I don't want to just show you how it's done. What I want to do is invite you to actually just partner with me and do it. You know, I found that there's no real reason to recreate the wheel when it's already made, right? Just hop on it and keep rolling. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. Listen, the business that I've built has helped me generate over $50 million online. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take you in my office, I'm going to show you, I'm going to prove it to you. And then what I want to do is I want to tell you how it works, I want to show you why it can work for you, and I want to invite you to partner with me so that you can build your business, build it the right way the first time. It's not a fad, it's truly long-term financial stability. So first, let's head to my office and let me show you that this really works. Come on, come with me. Check this out. Okay, so we're at my computer right now, and what you see on the screen is literally the products that we're processing, the products that we're promoting, okay? Now what's gonna be interesting about this is you're gonna see a ton of different products. This is what other people just simply don't teach, right? So check this out. You can see that product #1, we did $422,000 with. Product #3 down in here, we did only $98,000 with that one. But as you scroll down, you'll see this product, $446,000. This product, $788,000. These two products, $266,000 and $193,000. Here's what we're doing. #1, I'm showing you that obviously I know what I'm talking about. Clearly, I'm generating a lot of revenue online. But what I'm going to do is literally let you tap into these products, the ones that are generating this revenue, so that you can start generating revenue from the very same thing I'm doing it with. And look, some of them get really excessive and really big, right? Like there's one down here, $1.4 million on a single product. If you look at this, this is over almost $8 million, $7,921,935.22 just on these sets of products. What I'm gonna do is show you how these things are long-term, sustainable, good products that you can promote to build your business by partnering with me. So if that sounds exciting to you, then I'm glad that you stayed here. I'm glad that you watched this video. Come with me. Let's talk a little bit more about how you can get started doing this and how I can show you exactly what I'm doing. All right, so if you're really excited about those numbers and you feel like you want to learn how to do this, you want to partner with me, you want me to teach you this, all you got to do is click the link that you see. It's either below this video or on the bottom left-hand corner, and I'm going to invite you to a training where I break it all down for you. You can literally sit over my shoulder and there on my computer, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, okay? So click the link, join the training if you're already ready to learn. But here's the thing, if you're still watching and you're still kind of on the fence and you're like, okay, Anthony, this sounds awesome, but is it really for me? Let me just tell you something, okay? Let me break it down for you. It's not always the most obvious path that's going to lead you to having the most success and the most wealth, right? I mean, look, let's break it down like this, okay? Back in the 1800s, clearly we know that the people that made the most money were the ones that were selling the shovels and the equipment to the speculators during the gold rush, right? But it's not so simple anymore. When I first started my online business, I had to learn the hard way. There was no simple, easy path. I took a path that other people don't usually take. I built this business only because my parents suffered a huge financial disaster. When I was in my 20s, my dad was a retired millionaire from real estate. He invested his money in a company called WorldCom. And if you follow the stock market or anything like that, then you know that this is one of those companies that was hit with a massive scandal. My dad literally lost his life savings overnight. And that's when I had to spring into action. I had to do something that maybe I'd never done before, something I was outside of my comfort zone for sure. I was going to school to be a doctor, not an internet marketer. But I started an internet business because I wanted to help my family. And once I saved their house from foreclosure, I kept my brother and sister in school. My dad still didn't really believe what was going on. And he didn't believe it until he started seeing the checks come in the mail. When my dad started getting 6-figure checks in the mail every month, he was absolutely blown away. Here, I'll let him tell you what he thought about it.
After I retired and invested practically my entire savings into WorldCom stock. Shortly thereafter, WorldCom collapsed It was emotionally devastating. We were about to lose our home. For all practical purposes, you're a failure.
When I told Anthony that things were going to change, he was just simply in disbelief. And we're his parents, and he depended on us to make his way. That's right. That's the right thing. He should think like that. Just something seemed to happen to Anthony at that moment.
It would take your breath away. It still takes my breath away. He created the internet business that produced these checks. 101,000, 103,000, 94,000, 90,000. We went from devastation to a Cinderella lifestyle in just a few short months. Of course, it was primarily developed to help this family, but so many others have benefited from it.
All right, so I'm pretty sure that you're pretty amazed by those checks. As you can see, my dad was too. Listen, if you now know that this is something you want to learn how to do, click the link that you see. It's either below the video or kind of to the bottom left-hand corner. Register for my training and let me show you how to do this. As you can see, my dad was stoked. He was blown away with six-figure checks. And I think that anybody can have success online if you know the right way and something that's worked for many, many years. Come out here on the balcony. I'm going to talk a little bit more about you and how you can have success. All right, so listen, if you've been burned before because of false promises or maybe the lack of money or time, I get it, okay? There's a million reasons why people just like you and maybe all these people that you see on the beaches behind me don't get started with their own online business every single day. But here's the thing. What I've shown you is that I have a proven track record of over 15 years of making money online. I've built an 8-figure-a-year business right now. And here's the thing. I think you know this is not some crazy little loophole or some here today, gone tomorrow type of thing. I build predictable and literally skill set that can help you forever. And it doesn't matter what happens with Bitcoin and Shopify and Amazon, this continues to work. Listen, if you're interested in a predictable and sustainable income on the internet, what I've done is I've put together a completely free training for you. There's a link, you'll see it right below this video or to the bottom left-hand corner. You can click that link, register for my training. I'm gonna walk you through my entire ambassador program, which literally outlines for you exactly how to do this. And guess what? You don't even have to create your own offers. You don't even have to do any selling. What you're doing is tapping right into my machine. The machine that you just saw has made millions and millions of dollars for me, and now I'm extending that opportunity to you. My goal is to help you. My goal is to help people just like you see that it is possible to be successful. Realize that you don't have to struggle. Realize that you don't have to try to sell trinkets online. Realize that you don't have to start fad-type businesses. And realize that long-term sustainable income online is possible if you do it the right way. I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way. I'm going to let you plug right into my system, right into my ecosystem, and partner with me to do it for yourself as well. Click the link that you see below, join me on this training, and I absolutely feel like I can help you live the life of your dreams just like I'm doing right now.